1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Downriver in Michigan, we used to buy our beer from the Canadian Brewers Retail in Emmitsburg, and a 13 four-wheeler with a 50 Merc. Grab a burger down by the dock, and we'd head to Lost Lake until we forgot that maybe it was time for us to go home. We said, screw that man, this is where we belong. By campfire singing spirits in the night, breaking empty bottles off of Channel 8. Too young to do the stuff that we did. Well, you can't tell that to a downriver kid that's getting air off of them freeways. Bob Bobo cheering while we misbehaved. That brought the singing chainsaw massacre. We could have, but we never got hurt. Downriver kids, downriver kids. Bill and Wendy, Sleepy and Dan, me and Tom were getting way too tan in our cut-off jeans and our old boat shoes. Never wore shirts cause we still look good. Minimum wage was enough for gas, just enough beer and just enough grass. Too young to do the stuff that we did. Well, you can't tell that to a downriver kid getting air off of them freeways. Bob Lobo cheering while we misbehaved. That brought the singing chainsaw massacre. We could have, but we never got hurt. Downriver kids, downriver kids. We're all still alive except for Bill. I miss that little fella and I always will. Threw a bottle at my head one night. It was pretty damn funny and it felt just right. We've all gone our separate ways. We all have stories we still tell today. Too old to do the stuff that we did. Well, you can't tell that to a downriver kid getting air off of them freeways. Bob Lobo cheering while we misbehaved. That brought the singing chainsaw massacre. We could have, but we never got hurt. Downriver kids, downriver kids. Way, way, way downriver kids. I was running like a freight train, running off a bridge that burnt down a long time ago. Broken bones cause the river dried up, and there weren't nothing down there but rocks and toads. Drinking whiskey just to try to forget, and all I got was the cops in a real bad mess. Ankle bracelet, I don't give a shit, but the judge says, boy, don't you mess with that. Can't leave the house, can't drive a car, all I got's a dog in a shitty backyard. Lost a cat when I ran out of dog food, think I might be next. Antisocial underachiever, think I left it all back with Leave It to Beaver. Antisocial underachiever, yeah, I left it all back with Leave It to Beaver. Antisocial